Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about breast pumping and how you can make it a smooth and comfortable part of your daily routine. Breast pumping is a helpful way to express milk so that your baby can be fed later. It gives flexibility, especially when you are busy or not able to feed directly. Before you start, take a moment to prepare yourself. Make sure your hands are clean and all pump parts are ready to use. Keeping everything prepared helps avoid interruptions during pumping. Try to sit in a relaxed and comfortable position. Your comfort matters because when your body feels calm, the process usually becomes easier. A quiet space can also help you stay focused. When you begin pumping, start slowly and allow your body to adjust. There is no need to rush. A gentle and steady rhythm often works better and feels more comfortable. It is normal if milk does not start flowing right away. Your body may take a few minutes to respond, so staying patient is important. Over time, your body becomes more familiar with the process. During pumping, try to stay relaxed and avoid stress. Even small things like taking slow breaths can help you feel more at ease. After you finish, transfer the milk into a clean container and store it safely. Also, make sure to clean all pump parts properly so they are ready for next time. With regular practice, breast pumping becomes easier and more manageable, and it can fit naturally into your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.